बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope all of you and everyone around you is safe and healthy. May Allah protect us in this pandemic. Students, as you know that our revision had started and we were on chapter number 13, Tomkin and the three-legged stool. Students, we had read this chapter up to second last paragraph on page number 102. Before starting today's lecture, let's take a look what we read in the class. Students, this is the story of a boy whose name was Tomkin. He was a tailor and dreamed to be a king. He dreamed that he had become a king and hot cabbage soup and thick red blanket. He asked Three-Legged Stool about his dream. Three-Legged Stool suggested him to go out and find his kingdom. Tomkin agreed to it and decided to go out to find his kingdom. Three-Legged Stool offered itself to go with Tomkin. Tomkin happily agreed to take Three-Legged Stool with him. He promised that when he will become a king, he will make Three-Legged Stool his prime minister. The stool spun around on one leg and sang, "Promises, promises, 1, 2, 3, a king will never remember me." And they set off for their journey. Okay, students, let's begin. Open page number 102. Tomkin walked along with a hope, a skip, and a jump, and the three-legged stool trundled along beside him. They walked through a forest and over a hill into a valley. Sometimes they talked, and sometimes Tomkin whistled a tune and the stool danced on its three wooden legs. Skip means move along lightly, stepping from one foot to the other with a hop or bounce. Hop means move by jumping on one foot. Trundle means to move slowly and heavily. It is stated here that Three-Legged Stool and Tomkin started their journey. Sometimes Tomkin jumped and sometimes he hopped, while Three-Legged Stool moved slowly beside him. They passed through the forest, over the hills and valleys. Sometimes they talked and sometimes Tomkin whistled a tune and Three-Legged Stool danced on its three wooden legs. जब थ्री लेग्ड स्टूल और टॉमकिन अपने सफ़र पर रवाना हुए तो टॉमकिन कभी जंपिंग और कभी होपिंग करते हुए चलता, जबकि थ्री लेग्ड स्टूल आहिस्ता आहिस्ता टॉमकिन के साथ चलता रहता। वो जंगलों से, वादियों से और पहाड़ियों के ऊपर से गुजरे। कभी वो आपस में बातें करते और कभी टॉमकिन सीटी पर कोई धुन बजाता और थ्री लेग्ड स्टूल अपनी लकड़ी की तीन टांगों पर डांस करता। लेट्स मूव ऑन। Tomkin and the three-legged stool came to a stop by a wide river in the valley. "Oh dear," said Tomkin, "I can't swim. Do you think my kingdom is on the other side of the river?" "It might be far or it might be near," said the stool. "But as to swimming, just throw me in and hold on tight." Here storyteller is telling us that when Tomkin and three-legged stool reached to a wide river in the valley, Tomkin said to three-legged stool, "Oh dear, I can't swim." He also asked to it that whether does it think that his kingdom is on the other side of the river. Three-legged stool replied, "It might be so far or near." It more said, "Just throw me in the river and hold me tightly for swimming." जब थ्री लेग्ड स्टूल और टॉमकिन एक वैली में एक चौड़े दरिया के पास पहुंचे तो टॉमकिन ने कहा, "ओह डियर, मैं तैर नहीं सकता।" तुम्हारा क्या ख्याल है कि मेरी किंगडम क्या दरिया के उस तरफ है? थ्री-लेग्ड स्टूल रिप्लाइड, वो करीब भी हो सकती है और दूर भी, लेकिन स्विमिंग के लिए तुम मुझे दरिया में फेंको और टाइटली पकड़ लो। लेट्स मूव ऑन। Tomkin waded into the rushing water, holding on to the stool. Tomkin kicked and splashed until he and the stool were on the far side of the river. They staggered up the bank and sat down to rest. "You are a good swimmer," Tomkin said to the stool. "When I am king, I promise I will make you prime minister." The stool spun around on two legs and sang, "Promises, promises, 1, 2, 3. A king will never remember me." "Oh yes, I will," said Tomkin. Waded means to walk against the pressure of water or mud. Rushing means moving with urgent haste. Stagger means to walk unsteadily, almost but not quite falling over. Bank means the land alongside or sloping down to a river or lake. Splashed means liquid fall on something in irregular drops. This paragraph states that when Tomkin was moving against the rushing water, he held his stool tightly. Tomkin kicked and splashed in water until they both were reached near the other side of the river. They staggered up the bank and sat for rest. Tomkin appreciated Stool by saying that, "You are a good swimmer." Once again he repeated his promise that when I am king, I'll make you prime minister. As usual, Stool spun around and sang, "Promises, promises, 1, 2, 3. A king will never remember me." Tomkin assured again. इस पैराग्राफ के मुताबिक टॉमकिन दरिया के पानी के तेज बहाव के खिलाफ हरकत कर रहा था और इसने स्टूल को टाइटली पकड़ा हुआ था। टॉमकिन पानी को मुखालिफ सिमत में किक करता हुआ दरिया के दूसरी तरफ पहुंच गया। वो लड़खड़ाते हुए दरिया के किनारे पर पहुंचा और बैठ गया। टॉमकिन ने स्टूल से कहा, "यू आर अ गुड स्विमर." इसने मजीद कहा कि जब मैं किंग बनूंगा तो तुम्हें प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनाऊंगा। एज यूजुअल स्टूल अपनी दो टांगों पर घूमा और उसने गाया, "Promises, promises, 1, 2, 3. A king will never remember me." टॉमकिन ने दोबारा यकीन दहानी कराई कि वो ऐसा ही करेगा। Tomkin and the stool walked on. They noticed that the grass and bushes on either side of the path were dusty brown. The trees had no leaves and the earth was hard and cracked. "It hasn't rained here for ages," said Tomkin, "but it must be going to rain soon." Cracked means damaged and showing lines on the surface. For ages means for a very long time. When Tomkin and Stool crossed the river, they started walking. They reached a place where they noticed that the grass and bushes were dried. Trees had no leaves and the earth was hard and cracked. "It is due to lack of rain," said Tomkin, and he thought that it must be going to rain soon. जब टॉमकिन और थ्री लेग स्टूल दरिया को पार करके दूसरी तरफ गए तो उन्होंने नोटिस किया कि उस जगह पर घास और झाड़ियां डस्टी ब्राउन कलर की हैं। दरख्तों पर पत्ते नहीं हैं और ज़मीन सख्त और फटी हुई है। टॉमकिन ने कहा, "लगता है यहाँ काफ़ी टाइम से बारिश नहीं हुई, लेकिन जल्द ही होने वाली है। लेट्स मूव ऑन." There was a huge black cloud swirling round the top of the hill ahead of them. They could see a village halfway up the hill, and beyond the village was a castle. "Maybe that's my kingdom," Tomkin said. Swirling means caused to move in a twisting or spiraling pattern. Halfway means at or to a point equidistant between two others, or in the middle of a period of time. Ahead means further forward in space. Beyond means at or to the further side of. This paragraph states that there was a huge black cloud moving around the hill. There was a village to a half distance of the hill and a castle to the further side of the hill. Tomkin thought, "Maybe that's my kingdom." वहां पहाड़ी पर एक ऊपर बड़ा काला बादल घूम रहा था और पहाड़ी के आधे रास्ते पर एक गांव था और काफी दूर एक किला भी दिखाई दे रहा था। टॉमकिन ने कहा, हो सकता है कि ये मेरी रियासत हो। लेट्स मूव ऑन। Maybe it is, said the stool. It certainly looks as if all the people have come out to meet us. The three-legged stool was quite right. Many men and women and children were hurrying down the hill towards them. Tompkins shook his head. I don't think I want to be king here, he said. These people look sad. Certainly means used to emphasize the speaker's belief that what is said is true. Hurrying means moving or acting with great haste or do something more quickly. When Tompkins said, maybe that's my kingdom, Stool agreed to him and said, it certainly looks as the people coming to meet us. Tompkins saw Stool was quite right because many men, women, children were coming quickly down the hill towards them. Tompkins shook his head in denial and said, I don't think I want to be king here, as all the people look sad. जब टॉमकिन ने कहा कि हो सकता है कि ये मेरी रियासत हो, थ्री लेग्ड स्टूल एग्रीड टू हिम एंड सेड, यकीनी तौर पर ऐसा ही लगता है क्योंकि लोग हमसे मिलने आ रहे हैं। थ्री लेग्ड स्टूल ने ठीक ही कहा था। टॉमकिन ने देखा तमाम औरतें, आदमी और बच्चे तेजी से इनकी तरफ आ रहे थे। टॉमकिन ने अपनी गर्दन हिलाकर कहा, मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं यहाँ का किंग बनूंगा। ये लोग बहुत अफसुर्दा लगते हैं। लेट्स मूव ऑन। Students, now you can see the words meaning of list on your screen. Read these words meaning with me. Scratched. Scratched means mark or cut with claws. Nochna, khujana. Rubbed. Apply firm pressure with a circular or backward movement. Malish karna, masalna. Mend. Mend means repair or patch. Maramat karna. Whistle. Whistle means produce a shrill sound, सीटी बजाना. Clutch. Clutch means grasp tightly, मजबूती से पकड़ना. Gasping. Gasping means breath sharply or with difficulty, तेज गहरे सांस लेना. Throne. Sovereign power, शाही तख्त. Weight. To walk against the pressure of water, पानी के बहाव के खिलाफ चलना. Trundle. To move slowly or heavily, आहिस्तगी से भारी कदमों में चलना. Stagger means to walk unsteadily, गिरते पड़ते हुए चलना. Splash means spatter liquid over, छींटे उड़ाना. Gazing, look fixedly, घूरना. Castle means large fortified building often built as a ruler residence, palace or fort, किला. Students, learn these words meaning and write down in your English literature copy. Students, we have done 2 question answers of this chapter in the class. Learn those question answers and also learn this question which you can see on your screen and write it in your English literature copy. Question is, what happened when Tompkin cut open the cloud? Answer: when Tompkin cut open the cloud, the rush of rain washed him off his feet and sent him gasping and tumbling all the way back down to the bottom of the hill. Students, learn all the question answers and words meaning of this chapter and write words meaning and the question which we have done in today's session in your English literature copy. Students, inshallah, we will complete the revision of this chapter in the next session. Thank you. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.